Don't even talk to me right now! Disruptive and distracting? Are you kidding me?
Hey, Dad, how'd it go?
Could have been better. I mean, she said you were disruptive and distracting. I think I was both of those things when I was your age. I am so embarrassed to be your mother right now. All you have to do is sit in class and be quiet, and you can't even do that! I'm sure she says that every kid is disruptive and distracting. I mean, what do you expect from a bunch of middle schoolers? You're full of hormones and testosterone, things that I wish I still had. And just you wait until we get home and I tell Dad about this. He is gonna whoop your ass! On the bright side, your teacher said that you have straight C's?
Yeah?
That's pretty damn good. You know what they say in college, C's get degrees.